Hi, I'm Stephanie Sage with Sage Restoration. Welcome back to my first time homebuyer tips series. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of landscaping. As a first time homebuyer, it's important to know that landscaping not only adds value and beauty to your home, but it also can help prevent water intrusion into your home. You need to make sure that you replace and fill up your mulch every year or every other year to make sure that your landscaping is designed to move water out and away from your foundation. And it's also important to take a look at the backyard. And I know most people, are going to, gaze out the kitchen window and look at the backyard and think how beautiful it is, but there's more to it than that. Look at the backyard and see if it's one that is very steep and basically, heads straight down towards the house. During times of heavy rains, water is going to do the same and ultimately make its way into back doors or into your foundation, which can cause water damage in your home. And then there's another thing that you need to take a look at. I call them the bad luck lots. And these are the lots, the houses that are at lower elevation normally than the houses behind them, in their backyard setting. And these houses are all at a little bit higher elevations. And during times of heavy rains, that water drains out of these people's backyards right into your backyard. So you're basically the dumping ground of all the heavy rains in your neighborhood. And this can cause water pooling in your yard, which can destroy your grass, or it can ultimately, once again, make it into doors or into your foundation, and ultimately could cause water damage, in your home. And the ways to correct that, you'd have to actually get with a landscaping company because they would do this, but you normally are going to have to do, different grading things, which means digging up your yard, replacing grass, or possibly building expensive French drains. So it's just something to keep in mind when you're taking a look at a home. So make sure that you check me out next Wednesday. I'm going to talk about some things in the interior of the home that you need to be aware of. And in the meantime, happy house hunting.